Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and doing well. Time is very precious in our life, but at the same time, we forget to give it to our loved ones. In our youthful age, we all like to spend our time alone with phone and friends. So there's a story of a 20-year-old girl. One day, her mom told her that his grandpa's health was getting bad and they had to visit him. But she gave her number of reasons why she can't come. And before leaving the house, as all our parents give us the instructions like don't open the door to strangers, do like this, she found those instructions so hectic that she locked herself inside the room and she didn't come out till her parents left the house. After a few hours, she got a call from the police station saying that there was an accident of her parents' car and it was the spot death of both her parents. So what do you understand by this incident? We never know the value of a person until they are gone. And then we start to regret, saying that those were the last words with them. We should have spoken nicely. We regret that our whole life. Instead of that, spend time with your family, take care of them, serve one another, make no room for regrets. Tomorrow is not promised and today is short. And the most important thing is, in every conceivable manner, family is a link to our past and the bridge to our future. Thank you.